Alright, today it's the 18th of July 2023. We have this Jäspilänkatu, which is a very small shopping center. It's on Jäspilänkatu 8 here.
18.
18 here in Kerava, modernized, Finland. Completely original series 1 elevator that was built in 1991. Oh, sorry. As they say, persons or 16 grams. 30 years old in 2021 with the oldest local model top rank here. The Zimmer is the 10949. Was Euro 2000. It's going to be inspected, should have been inspected last year, 2022.
Yeah.
It was delayed. We're 3 floors here. Also amazing. The show stewards.
Yeah.
You didn't film it before.
Yeah.
There's a red button. It's the red light. It's all on all the time for some reason. Well, let's see if it goes on.
Yeah, I think.
Yeah, it's when it's occupied also.
Yeah.
Strange, it doesn't usually have that feature. The door goes button also here.
Yeah.
I also like the sounds in here.
7. It's big by Jäspilä, maintained by Lift 24.
Oh. The door close button is not efficient here.
Yeah.
There's the ventilation holes there.
Yeah.
I also like the smell.
Yeah.
That was a nice red floor.
That's